In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free games on Steam. If you're new to Steam or just want a quick and easy way to find games you can play without spending money, this process is very simple. Steam has a dedicated section for free-to-play titles, and once you know where to look, you can start browsing and installing games in just a few clicks. To begin, open Steam on your computer. Make sure the app has fully loaded so you can access the main menu and store sections without any issues. If Steam takes a moment to sync or load your library, that's completely normal. Just wait until everything is ready before moving on. Once Steam is open, go to the Store tab. This is where Steam shows all of its available games, featured promotions, and categories. From there, look for categories and then select Free to Play. This section is specifically designed to show games that you can download and start playing at no cost. It's one of the easiest ways to discover new titles, especially if you're not looking to buy anything right away. When you enter the free-to-play category, take some time to browse through the available games. You'll usually see a wide mix of genres, including shooters, strategy games, multiplayer titles, role-playing games, and more. If you want to narrow down your choices, you can use Steam's filters, tags, and sorting tools to find something that matches your interests. For example, you might sort by popularity, user reviews, or newest releases to help decide what to try first. Once you find a game you like, click on it to open its store page. Here, you can read the description, look at screenshots, check system requirements, and review player feedback before installing it. This is a good habit, especially if you want to make sure the game will run well on your computer and fits the kind of experience you're looking for. If everything looks good, go ahead and install the game. Steam will guide you through the download and installation process, and after that, the game will be added to your library so you can launch it whenever you want. That's all it takes to get free games on Steam. Open Steam, head to Store, choose Categories, then Free to Play, and browse until you find something you want to install. It's fast, easy, and a great way to build up your game library without spending anything.